Stay on top of your schedule. The Contractor Foreman calendar makes it easy to keep from missing deadlines, due dates, and appointments. It's more than a calendar, it's a lifesaver. Calendars with amazing filters let you easily see what's going on with many views and many filters to keep you up to speed and informed. Your sales reps, estimators, and bookkeepers all have different needs. Let them also have different calendar views. Easily sync with Google or Outlook 365. Our time off request feature lets you streamline your employee time off requests. Take the pressure off HR or management. Your employees can request time off and then their request gets sent to management for approval or denial. Once approved, the day off is added to the calendar and the employee is notified. This prevents booking someone for a job when they are scheduled to be off. With one click, any screen lets you create a new task. With our Quick Task Creator, no longer do you have to leave the screen you are on just to add a task to the calendar. It is easy to personalize the task view, making it easy to see just your task. Sometimes it is all about you. Contractor Foreman makes it easy to see only what you need to get done. Set it to show your work schedule, assign tasks, and other items that you are responsible for. Start a free trial now and see how Contractor Foreman brings organization to the chaos.